What's up guys, my name is Director Khalif and I'm back again with an interesting tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to remove green screen background. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So I have my green screen footage. Special thanks to Vedizi for the green screen footage. So the first thing I'll go to the effects panel. I'll go to effects, then video effects, then keying, and then ultra key. That's what I'll be using today. You take the marker. And then now you can introduce a background because we've already eliminated the green screen. And there's my background. You can choose any background that you like. But always remember to make sure that your subject and your background blend well. So you'll have to color correct. I'll be using Lumetric color for color correction. Make sure the background and the foreground perfectly match or blend. Still take away some of the saturation from the subject. And that's our tutorial for the day. So I'll just leave it to render for some few seconds and then I'll show it to you guys. So that was our tutorial for the day. If you enjoyed the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, and if you had any question, leave a comment below and I'll gladly answer it. Also check out my social media accounts. Until next time.